Hey guys, this is Jeffrey Mayer, CEO of LBU. I want to talk to you today about why to use LBU. LBU is America's leading domestic manufacturer of all custom sewn products. Everything we do, we custom design right in our factory in New Jersey. There's over 200 sewing operators building all this beautiful product, and the most incredible dynamic design team that actually takes these ideas and brings them to life. Our average turn time on your custom virtuals, we turn around within hours. And then from there, we make all these beautiful custom spec samples based on those virtuals, and typically we turn those around within 2 to 3 days. When you're making a presentation to a client, what is the most important thing that client wants to see? Having things that are completely different and something that they haven't seen before. By just picking up the phone and calling in and talking about what your client is doing. For an example, I have a client here that works with LBU, one of the liquor companies. Just by having an idea of who your client is, a budget, demographics, let our design team bring these kind of beautiful products to life. So minimum orders start at only 100 pieces. Average turn time on our orders are 2 to 3 weeks on any size order, whether it be 100 pieces as the minimum, or if it's 100,000 units. So the wow factor is us coming up with the most incredible fabrics, designing and building all these beautiful bags. For instance, here's a beautiful sublimated sequins backpack. Our materials that we come up with are just everyday, all kinds of unusual fabrics you haven't seen before, whether it be holographic, sequins, under glass, beautiful full dye sublimation, lifestyle sets, things that actually you don't see anywhere else in the industry. This is a fabulous beach bag that we designed and built. All nice heavyweight canvas, fully dye sublimated, seatbelt, colored webbing, number 10 zipper, all wonderful, fast product, all beautifully built and designed in the USA. Here's a really nice piece we just did for the Met for a different distributor. Clear vinyl, we took the Monet paintings and actually sublimated handles out of it and did a nice travel pouch that goes inside of it as a nice set. This one here is a new form of embossing that we're doing, which is really incredible. If you get a side view to actually show how that comes out. So it's a new sonic debossing that has also worked what's called colorific. We have a way of actually debossing and printing at the same time. Actually, this is really cool too. This is one of our spirit sleeves that we do a big job on, but actually it worked out really great for some of the liquor companies, because when the servers wear the sleeves up their arms like that, on the back, we could actually have different ideas on how to build some of the different drinks that we've done. So it's a great way of promoting the brand and some of the different cocktails that could be built with that brand. Pillows is a great category. Any type of shape, size, material, debossing, full dye sublimation. This is a really nice actual suede fabric that we use on this one as well. Duffel bags, great category. You can see how nice by using even real leather and how beautiful some of that product actually comes out. We do a very big job in canvas. Again, low minimums, incredible price points, all domestically made. You can see how beautiful, even taking some of the simplest type of styles and bringing them to life. This one is done with a full-size screen print, so edge-to-edge printing with leather handles and rivets. Another great set that we did recently is for one of our distributors for Vineyard Vines. This is an all-in-one travel set, including a beautiful blanket that's done in a brushed fleece fabric. It's actually very similar to your sweatshirt type of fabric. So when the client got the piece, they had their travel set. Inside was everything they needed. The blanket, the pillow, and the travel mask, the sleep mask, all inside the same set. Okay, let me give you an idea how easy it is to do business with LBU and how we operate. By you picking up the phone and calling in, you have a client who's your distributor, your client is Sephora. You have an idea of a budget, demographics, who we're going after, what our timeline is, and we put everything in motion. So once we get that phone call, and we have an idea what you're doing, we then come up with all the ideations, all the creations of what you can do virtually, usually within hours or within 24 hours. Hey guys, I want to say thank you for taking the time to visit LBU and seeing all the beautiful things that we produce and that we can do for you. I look forward to hearing from you, and please call us soon. Have a great day.